Hey everyone, I am here with the November kit kind of run through. So I'm just gonna start going through things and give you a preview of kind of the vibe of this kit. So it's super fun, kind of a vintagey journey, travel, adventure kind of a theme. So you'll see that kind of running throughout with some of the images, but this is the piece of paper that kind of collages a bunch of them together. So you can really get a good idea of kind of the theme from that paper. But here are a few others in the kit. You can see it's lots of red and black and craft and cream. And anyway, super fun to work with. I cut mine all out. So I'm going to be showing you parts of everything because it's all cut out, and you might see some sneak peeks of some projects coming up. All right, here are some teeny tiny labels that I cut out, and here's the cool part about this is these are actually blank labels, and then as one of the projects, I'm going to show you how to get them looking vintagey and crafty. So there's a page of blank labels, and they come, you can print them either bigger or smaller. And here's another fun one. I can show you how these look on paper, maybe if I can find it. Here they are, tabs. I have a page of just fun tabs, and this is a sneak peek of a project of something that we did with those. And in the background, you can see some other teeny tiny bits that we cut out that are going to go with another project that we're doing. So way fun. We have some fussy cuts, and here are those teeny tiny bits. I mean, these are tiny, so you can see why I cut forever and ever on this getting these out, but that was okay. I just watched the show and had fun. We have our word paper, and you can really see that kind of travel-y vibe throughout those. And then we have also a page of sayings and some numbers and things like that, and places and things like that. So it's really like adventure themed. Let's see. Okay, let's do this one. So I did another one of the mini books that we did for the gratitude journal. And these all come with that. And we're gonna put together a folio that I have all planned out. And it's a really fun project. So I'm excited to do that one. And this is just pockets and tags and little words and little labels and tabs that you can use in this book, the mini book, or in really anything. But I'm just gonna kind of show you some of the little goodies in there. There's tons and tons. But then we have our fun pockets galore. Some more tabs. This is gonna be messy. I'm trying to keep it all straight. But I mean, really it all goes together, so it doesn't really matter. But we have our journaling card collection in there, as well as just some really fun tags as well. So I'm excited to play with those, embellish those, and get those into some fun journals. So, all right, so there's that piece. Let's see. Oh, we have a bunch of ephemera. Oh, and look, you guys, this is why it took forever. I just couldn't stop myself. I kept adding more teeny little bits. So there's some more fun little travel signage and more little words and little toppers if you want to fold those over pages or whatnot. And then we have some vintage ephemera, just random little tickets, a couple of fussy cuts. Look at that cute trunk. Some more pieces. We've got some hot air balloons, some compasses, some fun quotes about travel, more tickets, and some fun images. I thought you could use them if you wanted to make like faux ID cards or passports. I love that picture. A pile of trunks and stuff. Just really fun travel images that I hunted down for us. Some of these I printed on regular weight paper so they could be like tickets and folded up, and there's a couple of those like that. Maps, postcards. Anyway, so some really fun vintage ephemera. Let's see, I have another envelope here. What's in this one? Oh, you guys. So these are to make some faux like luggage tags or ID cards. So I've left them blank for you to stamp, or you can add some of these tiny little pieces that are in some of these other ones that we've seen, the little words and the little images, to add those on. So that's going to be fun. And then some neutrally tags so you can embellish with some of the fun stuff in the other kits as well. Lots and lots of tags. And don't forget the tiny tags. So you've got different sizes of tags as well. There's bunches of those. Let's see. Oh, this is a fun thing. So I found these old images, and I thought these would be really fun to play with for like fake ID cards or passports or whatever, that would be really fun to just add in and have, make up your little stories about your different people. But anyway, so there's a page of those, just old photographs, old portrait kind of photographs. Let's see, I showed you, oh, this is the same as this, but here they are cut out, and I loved it because I backed this on some craft paper. So these are kind of thicker now that they've been cut out, but really fun embellishments. So you're gonna see that all throughout because I love that kind of thicker look. It would also be really fun to put on with some foam tape so they pop out just a little bit because they're really sturdy. Let's see. Oh yes, you guys, this is a huge kit. I think there's almost 50 pages. So it just keeps going. We did some of our layered pockets with the file folder cards. So we're going to be doing some samples of those with the layered cards. And then these are just fun little things to embellish those with, and more words, more tags to go into our pockets. So that's going to be one of the projects that we're going to do. And oh, I did some of the flip out pages. I have these set aside in little kits. But these are some of the flip out pages that are designed. Let me just show you. These are designed to go on the side of a journal like so. And then you have some pockets and tags, and they are designed to just flip out, and you have a pocket for this side as well. So we'll demo that as well. In fact, we're going to demo it in this very folio, which is the folio that we're going to be making. I'm really excited about this one. I had a lot of fun designing this. All right. Let's see. Oh, yes. Excuse me. We have some of our full-size collage cards, and these are just, you can do so much with these because you can use them as tags, you can cut them up, you can fold them in half and use them as flips. So I'm really excited to play with those. Oh, we do have a couple of little envelopes and a big envelope, and this one comes with, it's going to be a project, so you'll see this later, but it comes with some fun ephemera inside that's just designed to go right into that tiny envelope. And last but not least, we have some of our slide pockets that we've made. So these are all cut out and ready to go, but you'll remember if you've seen some of my other stuff that these are the pockets, and they are designed with a couple of tags that are going to go in there, some journaling cards. And it's really fun because when you cut out this window and you put this in, then you see the image through the window. So we'll show you how those all come together too, and they're super easy and super fun. So that's kind of what we have for this kit for November. And I am just excited to do the videos on this one because there's a lot here to take in and play with. So anyway, stay tuned and we will be releasing those videos as they come. There's a link down below if you're interested in the kit or the subscription. Either way, there will be a link, and hopefully that will be all you need. But anyway, I'm excited to get to it and have a play with all these fun goodies. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the preview, and thanks for watching. We will talk to you soon. Bye.